Hey, what's going on, guys? So our next project is a Subaru Impreza. I don't know if it's a WRX or STI, but as you can see, the lens need a bit of restoration. The owner of the headlights wants a chrome delete, so everything's gonna be blacked out. Here's a little sneak preview of what's it gonna look like. Let's get this project started, guys. These guys had all kinds of things beaten out of them. Look at the rust happening. This looks like water damage. Where's the dust cap at? Oh my goodness. Alright, so on the back we got 5 screws. Here we are gonna take off the light bulbs. Just remove the clip and take off the high and low beams off. Should just come off. I think I can pull that here. So we took out that wire harness. Now you're ready to be tossed into the oven. We're gonna leave it in here for about 10 minutes or so. My YMCA card there. Grade 10 cool guy photo here. Yeah. Okay. Get all these little spider webs. This part. And that is how you open up your Subaru WRX headlights. Let's go take off this shroud. Now this shroud is very simple. How many screws we got here? We got 4. And you just kind of grab it like that. Ta-da! Look how clean this looks. Man, this is like demolished. It's like a tornado was inside of this. It's like we can detach it from here and here. Hey, sweet. Okay, we got this piece off. Alright, looking good, looking good. Got everything disassembled. We gotta do one more headlights. So this is what happens when you don't have a dust cap. All I'm gonna do is just use soap and water and just clean up the entire area. It's gonna look brand new in a quick sec. Okay, and this is the best that can be done. I also cleaned the back and dusted off the inside of the lens. Hopefully the owner decides to put a dust cap this time. So everything in chrome you see here, it's gonna be sanded down and painted. We're just gonna paint this part and that part. We're gonna be using a combination of like 320 grit, we got 1500. You just want to be careful around here not to like sand it down. See all those scratch marks? That's exactly what you want. Okay, here I'm just masking off areas I'm not gonna paint. Once you get the sanded down, spray some alcohol, and then we can start spraying the paint. Cool. And for my next trick, check this out. Took a while, but this is your masked off housing. Do the same thing for the other side. You take this plastic bag, and you kind of just channel it behind here. And that's how you cover up this area. Check this out, guys. This took a while to mask off, but now it's time we paint every chrome piece that's exposed. We're using my favorite Rust-Oleum once again. Alright, that looks sweet. Okay, let's get this started. Nice. We're gonna do one more coat and let this cure overnight. Man, that looks so wonderful. Okay. So good. Tiny room. Nice and glossy. And then we have our headlight piece. Okay, that's looking good. That's just like some tape left over. Alright. Looking good, looking good. So let's go put on the reflectors back on. Okay, cool. Sweet, we got the housing with the blackout reflectors on them. We got rid of all that dirt and grime around. Place this on top of this. Jeez, this is a murdered blackout look. I actually like the amber, it contrasts well with everything else here. Check that lens out. Let's put our housing back on here. That looks great. That looks fantastic. Resealing process, everyone knows what's up. Just get yourself a nice roll of butyl tape. What I like to do is actually just kind of roll it out. I didn't show the full clip, but now there's butyl all around the housing, just to give you a better seal. Let your heat go. Now we're gonna toss this in the oven. Let it heat up for about 5 minutes, and we'll come back. Basically, just squeeze everything as best as you can. Lock the tabs in, and how it is. Got 5 more screws to put inside. I went ahead and put on the wiring harness. Pretty straightforward stuff. Other than that, looks like we're done, boys. Wait, hold up. No, we ain't. We still gotta try this thing. The Headlight Restoration Kit by McGuire's. Super excited for this one. However, that's gonna be a tutorial for another video. I'm just gonna show you a little sneak peek of my results, and it's so wicked. Thanks for watching my video, guys. This was a blackout for the 08 to 14 Subaru WRX. Peace!